Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 14th of April 2024. I'm going to be going over my weekly option chain analysis for Tesla for the expiry on the 19th. Now here we can see that the max OI level has gone higher for both CE and PE / positive. Quantity is higher for PE, that's another positive. Change is a lot higher for PE, which is again another positive. The short squeeze is higher for CE, positive. PCR is still below 1, that's positive. Implied volatility is lower, so that's positive. Historical volatility, however, is higher, so that's negative. RSI is higher, positive. There's no divergence, which is negative. ADX is higher, so that's negative because the price movement overall is downwards. ATR is lower, that's positive. EMAs are both lower, that's negative. VWAP is higher, that's positive. Pivot point Fibonacci is lower, that's negative, and the candlestick is Harami, which is neutral here. So overall, the new support is 170. Previous weeks was 160. The resistance is 175. Previous weeks was 172.5, and the prediction is that Tesla goes up from the option chain. So thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.